Tip number 4 of 6 to better, faster, more reliable home Wi-Fi. Extra Wi-Fi muscle. Watch this. Okay, so you've followed parts 1 to 3 of Tech with Tony's tips to better Wi-Fi, all of which required no new devices. So these tips haven't cost you any money. But what if you find your Wi-Fi still isn't covering all of your home? This can be a challenge, particularly if you have solid internal walls or in larger homes. An option here is to replace your router with a higher quality, more powerful model. A new, more powerful router may provide big gains in performance, particularly if you have an older router or one supplied to you by your internet service provider, which are sometimes pretty basic. The latest good quality Wi-Fi routers are faster, have better coverage, and can cope better when connected to multiple devices at the same time, particularly for high demand gaming or streaming TV and movies. Remove your old Wi-Fi router and replace with the upgraded model. While setting up, keep tips from parts 1, 2, and 3 in mind. When ready, all of your Wi-Fi connected devices, your phone, your computer, smart TV, etc., will need to connect to the new Wi-Fi network by selecting your Wi-Fi name, that's your SSID, and entering your password. Oh, and don't forget your printer. Let me know in the comments if this tip helped you. If your house is tricky to cover or is very large, even a new Wi-Fi router may not be enough. You may need to take your Wi-Fi to the next level. To get quality cover to every corner, follow me to part 5 on Tech with Tony. This is getting serious now. For lots of other easy to understand home technology tips, follow or subscribe to Tech with Tony. See you next time.